Hey y'all, welcome to Back Porch Cooking and Reminiscing. I'm Roger, and as always, we're happy to have y'all here with us today. Now, if you notice me squinting, we're outside, we got a little bit of sunshine, so I'm not mad at anybody. I just got to squint to be able to see.
Yeah. Porch boards sway in a slow rhythm. Got the screen door sighing a low hum. That old wood stove is cooking something good. Smell of bacon filling up the neighborhood.
So today we're here with our London Sunshine Kamado grill, and we're going to be smoking a 1 pound chub of bologna. And yes, we say baloney here in the South, not Bologna. So we're going to get this ready and we're going to put it on the smoker here in just a minute and put this thing to smoking. Y'all, when I started editing the video here on our smoked bologna, I found out that for some reason or another, my camera didn't video the part where I showed you how to slice the bologna. So I'm going to do it again, but unfortunately I don't have another stick of bologna. So we're going to use a potato just so I can show you how to slice that bologna. All right, y'all. So now make believe that this potato is that red stick of 1 pound bologna, which was about this long. But you're just going to take and you're going to put it this way and you're going to go lengthwise this way. Turn it a little bit, skip about a ½ inch and cut it again. And you're wanting to go about a 1/4 inch deep on these cuts. And turn it over again and slice it down like this. All right, so that's got your long cuts in it. Then you just take it and you turn it and you want to go again about a 1/4 inch deep and you just turn it and you're slicing all the way around until you come back to the other piece. Skip about a ½ inch, cut it all the way around, and you just do that all the way till you get to the other end of it. And like I say, that's going to leave you kind of a checkerboard pattern. And at that point, you're ready to put it on the smoker. Take the wrapper off of your bologna. You want just the meat. You don't want the red wrapping on it. And you can do this with the 1 pound, the 3 pound. You could even do it with a 5 pound chub if you've got one. But that's how you slice it. And I'm so sorry that we lost that video. I don't know what happened. Probably totally my fault. Just be sure you don't go too deep with your cuts because you want it to open up a little bit so that you get the smoke down in the bologna, but you don't want it to be so much of a cut that it falls into pieces. All right, guys, so that's the easy part. Didn't get to see me put it on the smoker. With that little small smoker that we were using, the London Sunshine Kamado, and because of the size of it and everything, I had to put a tin pie pan underneath with some water in it. That way it kept the bologna moist. And then I put the cooking rack on top. But now if you've got a regular size smoker and you're doing this, you don't necessarily have to do that. You can just place it on the smoker. That's how I've always done it in the past. All right, from here on out, video's good. All right, y'all. So it's been about an hour and a half since we put a bologna on the smoker. So let's see how it's looking. Oh yeah, I believe that is going to be done. All right, so we're going to get it off of there, put it on a plate. All right, y'all. So there's what it looks like. It is beautiful. Got a great smoke on it. Where we did the slices, it's opened up and let the smoke get down in there. So we're done with the grill now, but we're not finished yet. So now we're going to take our bologna and we're going to slice it into pretty thick pieces. and it is hot. All right, y'all may can hear the airplane going over, but we got it sliced now. And next thing we're going to do is we're going to fire up the Blackstone grill and we're going to cook this bologna on there. All right, y'all. So we've got the Blackstone heated up. And now we're just going to throw this bologna on there and let it fry. All right, we're going to let it fry on that side for just a minute or so. And then we're going to flip it over and let it fry on the other side. I think we're ready to do some flipping. Like I say, it don't take just a minute on each side. And then we'll be ready to take it up and put it on the plate. Now this is kind of considered to be the Texas style of cooking smoked bologna. And that's where you don't put any kind of rub on it, no mustard, nothing like that. And they call it Texas steak. And those are looking good. Yeah, that one needs a little longer. We'll move them over here to the side that's not hot. And let those brown a little bit. And then we will be done. All right, guys, so there's our plate of smoked and fried bologna. And it's time to go make a sandwich. So here's our fried smoked bologna sandwich. Got a little mustard on there. Got some mayonnaise on the bun. Got a couple slices of tomato here. We're going to put that just right on the top, just like that. And then we're going to put the bun on there. If I had lettuce, I would have put lettuce on there, but I didn't have any lettuce. So that's what we're going to do right there. And now it's time to give it a taste and see how good it is. All right, guys. So I'm ready to give this baby a try. Now it's going to be messy. There ain't no doubt about that. But here we go. Guys, that's so good. That bologna has I say bologna has the perfect smoke to it. It's the fry from the Blackstone is awesome. And now you don't have to do this in a Blackstone, okay? You can do this inside the house on the stove top to do the frying part. Don't do the smoking part inside because you can smoke up your house, set your fire alarms off. But anyway, as I say, it is awesome. That mustard, mayonnaise, the bun, it ties it all together. The tomato, it's just so good. And I didn't have any, but if you got some chips or make you some French fries to go with it, it'll be just awesome. So y'all remember, make this for your family, share it with your friends. Be sure to remember to hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already. Leave us a comment down below. Tell us how you like your smoked bologna. Some of you probably like it Kansas City style. Some of you like it the Oklahoma style. Which funny thing, the Oklahoma style, they call that a Oklahoma prime rib. So a little history there on that. But again, guys, these are good. Takes a little bit of time, but it's well worth the time that it takes. All right. So appreciate y'all being here. We'll see you here in a few days with something new, and y'all have a great one.